how to get a free account on the OnlyFans app. Well, welcome everyone. Today I will answer this question and show you a great method in a website that sends a free OnlyFans account to your email. Okay, so let's get started. It works on any device because the website supports all devices. This will take you to the app page, which looks like this. And here, enter your email address. Okay, after that, choose a number of free subscription months you want. Okay, after that, scroll down and click on the Continue button. In this stage, the website will verify your information. After that, it will take you to the human verification. In this step, the website wants to make sure you are not a robot, but a real person, so it can give a free account. To do this, you need to complete one or two of the offers provided. These offers are simple and free, and they all take a minute or two. An offer may ask for something simple like entering your phone number or email, or download a small game or app, which is so normal. Okay, after that, once you've completed the offer, the website will confirm that you are a real person and send you the free account in your email. If you don't complete the human verification stage, the site will suspect that you are a robot and won't give you anything. Okay, so this human verification step is crucial. So after completing it and the website verifies that you are human, it will immediately send you a free account of OnlyFans. You will be able to view all the photos and videos of the celebrities on this app for free. So enjoy your time and thank me for the secret and guaranteed method. Goodbye, see you on the next video.